60th birthday, Tita Fel!
Happy 60th birthday,
Ate Fel! We love you!
Driving till the tank's on empty, baby, don't tempt me. But I won't leave now without you next to me.
Hello Ma, happy birthday. Thank you very much for everything. The lessons you were able to teach me, the guidance, the support, always yung support sa akin, sa mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Thank you very much. And I wish that for you to have more success in life. Sana matupad natin lahat yon, di ba? And always have fun. Alam ko madalas hindi man tayo nagkakasundo, ganun. Ayan. Pero I will always love you and thank you very much for everything. Happy birthday again!
And you can't just sit and wait for my leave. But maybe I'm changing. I got these lines.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! I love you. My favorite moments with you is all. Actually, all. Especially, lalo pag nagkagala tayo, kain tayo, bibili tayo damit, kahit medyo lagi ang maldita, gano'n. Yun lang. I love you, Mommy. Mag-ingat ka lagi, kahit dahil gala ka, katulad ko. I love you. Happy birthday.
Mami! Birthday mo pala! Happy birthday, Mami! Kala ko kasi Independence Day lang today. So, happy birthday, Mami! Thank you, pinag-aral na kami sa mga gagandang schools. And, ayan, successful na yung mga iba mong anak. Si Ena na lang. Push natin yan. Happy birthday, Mami! I love you! Mami, happy birthday sa'yo. Matagal natin pinagplanuhan tong birthday mo. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you kasi tinanggap mo ko sa family. And thank you sa everyday na mga binibigay mong lunch and ulam, fruits. And sana ma-enjoy mo tong party mo and magbigay pa si Lord ng mahaba pang buhay na ma-enjoy mo lahat ng mga blessing and mga pinagpaguran mo din. Sana maging happy ka today and we're always here for you. And happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday! Thank you!
Happy birthday, Mami! Sana ay matagal pa yung pasasama natin. Alam mo, Mi, tuwan-tuwa ako dahil sa kaarawan mo ngayon, nagdiriwang sila ng buong Pilipinas ngayon. At sana yung wish natin na magkaroon ng farm, matupad pa rin hanggang ngayon. Happy birthday! I love you, Mami!